Good evening. Good evening, my people, my people. Yes, so good evening, everyone. Yes. It's your Idiadi Yesige the second. Mama Milla, aka social media police. My people now went. Who they? Now who they? I be one right here just now. I can't forget who they? Who they? Me, I just dey hear some rumors, so I go come call am. Who they? Who they? Are they here say Kia don't marry? Now true, my people. Huh? I hear say Kia don't marry. Oh, not true. Ashawo with the read book. I beg go, my people. Now I say make a come and say, you don't say person they hear something inside the social media. You need to verify, You understand? You need to confirm. If what you they hear, not true, say Kia don't marry. My people, Mona invite to, Now, no say me, I know they quit believe anything when I hear for social media. Unless I go find that. Whether that's true or not. I dey hear, my people, not true. Ekia don't marry. Ashawo where they read book. I bet Mona write comments. Because if somebody hears something, my people, for this social media, good may would they ask first, It good may would they confirm they ask if this thing are true or not. I beg go. Ekia don't marry yesterday. Yeah, Ekia, congratulations. That's it. I go come ask because I see one video just now. Be like saying from this blogger page. I hear what they talk there. Ekia, I congratulate you, Ekia. Ekia, I congratulate you. Congratulations to Ekia. Congratulations to Ashawo with the read book. Who can be this man? Oh, I lucky I be here. We go computer. Who be the man? Who be the man? From which part? Cause me, I just see her for this blogger page now. She dey make my be like say they say na honey. Kia. Na honeymoon you dey do so abi. Na sugar moon, sugar cane moon. Yeah, you they say you dey honeymoon. Your mouth they make Now so that abi this your waiting we go come call am. Milk moon. Person where they honeymoon. You not go even take your time upon that. You still get belle joiner. May you relax more na, Ekia. May you relax more. Oh my goodness. How we go call this one? Cause me, I just they see you there now. Your mouth they make not be honeymoon they say you dey. I be your own what would they call this thing here? Mamelata moon. Mamelata moon. How person go there honeymoon? You not go even relax. You not go relax. You not say honeymoon to relax. I be your own sugar moon. I be coconut water moon. Turkey moon. Oh my goodness. So Ekia do enter house. So for where I see Anna. I see Anna make me. I say I be me I know here where. Now I say make I can't confirm because I dey hear since they say Ekia don't marry. And me I can see her for blogger page. Amount to the main Gbola, Ekia, abego, if not true. Ekia, if not true, say you marry, go stay without your husband, oh. As you don't, waiting that they call her that time, lucky, I be unlucky, go stay with her. No, call they use that your Ekia, they disturb our ear here again. Carry on, go meet that your husband. Go meet her, mo Ekia. I dey tell you because I see the here Gbola, Ekia, this one. For your man just now. Woman we marry. You supposed to stay your husband's house. Okay? The other day you come outside, you they talk about Tiwa Savage, this thing. Tiwa Savage says step will leak. They tell you say resemble your own. All those your toto will see full everywhere, full people phone. You don't go recover them. When you they talk about Tiwa Savage where her sex tape leak immediately, she sees all these videos. She collect them back. I don't know how they talk am. To withdraw, to seize all the videos. But your own, you know how many people is still there with. Even me when I be woman self, is still there with me. For this one, when me they used to talk so. So you know go come they compare yourself to Tiwa or any other. You hear? Just so free. Go do your honeymoon, do your marriage, do a j. I beg. I be like that your English now. Since when I never see you, at least my body see mekule. I beg. Do ye bo de do anye no my ho. Wow, Ekia. All those your fucking. You know, fucking, I beg. May you let me hear what this time, oh. Do your marriage, enter house, JJ. You hear? Ekia, do your marriage, do your sugar moon, your sugar cane moon, everything where you want to do on JJ. Maybe you not cut this my ear when you nearly cut comot. Only your English self that your mother, minda, yo, ye, ya, fucking, yo, ya, you know, I beg, I don't want to hear that one again, oh. As I see get peace since, I beg, who to ame? Carry your marriage, enter house, JJ. You hear, Kia? You hear? Carry your marriage, oh, enter house, oh. As I tell you, oh. My God, oh, Rishi. Oh, fake life. You know one thing when I hate about you? You too fake. Ekia, you too fake in all your life. You too fake. So as upon everything what you do now, you can't think say na marriage. So you not can see love. As you say now you can't see love. All your life you never see love before. Until your toto come full everywhere. Uwe weri barak barine evanuna idomie love. With your fake self, your fake life, you are fake in person. You are too fake for my liking. You too fake. So you to say this your marriage now you want to cover everything. Because the way where you put us so, you say you never see love for all your life before. After you don't do all this thing now there you can't see love. Now you can't know what it be love for your life. Oh God, this your fakeness, as you fake from your head to toe. Because to your own mind now, you say this marriage, now you go can't take cover. All your Kpekus way see they fly all around when everybody gets. You can't say that by forced marriage. Now you want to take cover. as you fake from your head go reach toe. When some people know they like to tell you the truth. If you know what is good for you now, you can't hold this your marriage. Okay, whether fake or not, just enter house. Make I know they hear you again. Oh. Not be this your sugar cane move where you did just now, where I see they hear your man, they do perere right there. Enter house, carry your marriage, enter house. Can't they make math here and they not swear for children? You know how many eggs you break till they swear for children? Swear for their papa and their mama? For this social media. You don't forget. When you say that your toto you carry come out later and I egg, you can't take the swear for children, swear for everybody here. Hey, Kia. Why you fake like this? Now this, as you take fake from your head to your toe, now that one I hate about you. Not be say I hate you, but you are too fake. You wait the swear here say you no go ever marry, you no go ever born for your life. How come now you can't see quick marriage to jump enter? Because you not can see where to take face go again. You never see love in all your life. What thing I they try to tell you, no sister I social life I did. I know really you go know what thing I they talk about. Don't be fake. Be real. Because if you continue as a small pikin where you did so, as a small child where you did say like this fakeness, now you go continue to dey live your life. Life go too hard you. Life go too hard you. You understand? You see say I say Ekia. Hey, people know they like to tell you truth. This is social media. May you use your HQ, use your head. You too small to dey carry this fakeness upon you. Otherwise, no place go contain you. If you choose and decide to live your life in this fakeness, where you did so, as you fake, your own self not be say living fake life. Oh. Somebody living fake life is even better than your own. Because who they live fake life, they'll just not see like fake life. But your own, you just be fake person. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Here. 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 So, Naimo, if you not try to, live your life to be real, you are too small to live fake. Mama, all these children, okay. Mama, all these people making noises all around social media are children from devastated homes. These are, okay, our children from disadvantaged homes. But she, her own too much. You understand? That's what I'm trying to say. But I don't really want to talk to her. But I believe she will know because I need to tell her. She too small to live fake. You know when you say somebody is living fake life, it's different. Fake life means say maybe things will not be your own. You dey claim say this thing are my own. That is a different thing. All right? But unlike her, she is fake. And she's too small to be fake. Like that. people. Oh, sorry. Oh, I forget say I ordered something since. I don't remember again. I beg I dey come here quick pay. I'm coming. Because these children, if you know sometimes, so they tell them something, it go come hard then later in the future. I beg they come. Where is it? More. My goodness. I beg go, I don't come here and put you on me. Okay, oh, my people. So that's just that. Oh God Almighty. I just say me we laugh. That's it. Sorry about that, Mona, sorry. I even they ask who the door. I forget. So that's that. So what are we trying to say here now? Because if you know they tell some people, and these are still teenagers, it can't go affect them in the future, and it's very bad. Because you know say when Ekia they do all these things since where she want to use marriage take over. Say after all, if you can't talk marriage now, people now no say so many people for this social media self. So that's just that. She would think right now, if you not talk about these things, next time she will still continue to make again, repeat such mistakes. Hoping say after then, Ingo can they use something to cover up, just like she they talk about Tiwa Savage and all that. No, life not be like that. Life not be like that. You marry, you not marry now. All those this thing now. My goodness. My goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Oh God Almighty. So I know, in fact, I don't want to talk. You understand? I don't want to talk. But no, I believe it's just enough. It's enough. So Ekia, I beg. I use God to beg you. Ebo we no wanyi mehoni do azo no con. Because that your this thing that your yeah you yeah yo if they pay me for year ebu weni o wanyi meho no we ma yare makede re ade ne egbe wa akome okay e de dem awe boni latia and as you don't marry, so stay your house, oh. Stay your house, oh, Ekia. You see now, they laugh. I still congratulate you. Congratulate. Abi how they talk am. Congratulate. Congrats to Ekia. May you enter also. As I talk and read so, I don't want to talk more than this. Yes, so thank you. Thank you. I say may we come. Congrats Ekia for here. I too laugh for who dey. Now I be wanted title this thing just now. I can't forget. Who dey? Ekia. I too laugh. Oh, I too laugh. Ekia enter house. Person wey dey on the moon. Abi sugar moon. You know they come outside to talk. Go and enjoy your sugar moon, your whatever moon there. No come out, they speak that your English, oh. That your English. I beg. You know, I fucking, I don't give a fuck, I fucking, yo. La wo, Lahore. That's make I come beg you. You hear? Enter house. As you don't marry, so enter house. Because not going to fool yourself again. You don't fool yourself enough. You understand? All those your people sex tape where you they say they claim it. Then they claim your own, you not claim it still full of everybody phone. You understand? All those your body where people can't take the release. Where you they give them free that time. Make the content they release for there. They open your toto open everywhere. Where they take the bekwa. All those your video, they still there with people. You understand? You not claim any of these videos. All those celebrities where you they talk about, they claim their own. Okay? Their own not make scatter full everywhere. Their own not be personal properties to people. You understand? So enter house. I not say where I don't know what I want to talk. Because sometimes if me I don't know what I want to talk, I would beat around the bush. Igiegwe. Ekia, don't be fake, eh? Don't be fake. You are too fake. Now you go come outside say somebody they swear for people children. Who swear rich people children? For people children reach you, I never see him. Sarah go they swear for people children. Who swear for people children reach you? You where they carry egg. They swear. Abi, you don't forget everything what you do. I say, carry this your marriage, enter house. As we just give you congrats, Abi, congratulate. So, carry and enter house. Not can they overdo, pass yourself again. Carry your marriage, enter house. Nobody want know. All this our congratulate where we see give you so Ekia, not do for you. Enter house. No, they talk too much again. Oh, Ibieka. Igiagbe o. Oh, salobo amenogi. Ogie. So my people, nine. Una do well. Una not congratulate Ekia. Write it. Congratulations, Ekia. Even if you not write and finish, just say congratu Ekia. Write and one at the right hand. I don't see anybody where even write any congrat. Not to talk of congratulate. So that's that. So whatever, what are you writing? Write it out again. We are here to congratulate Ekia. Abi, you never hear say Kia don't marry. Ever. What are you trying to write? Today is congratulations day for Ikia. They know the right bad comment. All right? So make your comment very clear. They know the right bad comments. We are here to congratulate Ikia. No, remove the queen. Congratulations, Ikia. That's how you write it. Congratulations, Ikia. We call people by their names on this page. You know they see me. They always introduce myself. I am Mama Milla, Idiani Yesige the second, aka social media police. So we call people by their names on this page. Congratulations, Ikia. Write it like that. Me, Miss Sharon. Okay? So next time, So I beg, oh, my people. Wait till we go come talk now. Wait till we go come talk past this one. Oh, Ikia. You too small. You too small to just live your life to be fake. That's what I'm trying to tell you here. No, you're still too small. And if you continue like this, it go hard. You know, as I use laugh, they talk these things. So I want you go sit down, you think about your life. All right? Maybe that one, this thing where you say you they do, so it go even make you to have a second thought so that you feel really stay there. Otherwise, if you continue to be fake, you're too small to live that kind of life. It go hard you, Maybe at times goes on. As time goes on, you can't remember this thing when I they tell you so. But if you take what they try to tell you so, that I no one just, they laugh, they talk. If you take her, you go see, say, maybe. Okay? This your husband self, which part he come from? Where you there honeymoon, you they talk about you see they talk about Bola, they talk about Ikia. This your husband, you just say in head correct for head so. Which abi na kokobiri. You know say na kokobiri you dey come zanzan that time. I just say na kokobiri. Because I never know how you go say you the sugar moon cane. You go come the for your person where you say you not just marry. Oh my goodness. Okay, Yorobama. Okay, now my brother. Okay. Now my brother. Oh. Congratu. Ebomi. Congratu. I congratulate you and Ikia. This, oh my goodness, this topic you get us in me. Congratu. Honey bear, you dey laugh? Oh my goodness, you not say you get some kind of bunker topic. When you go to talk, self, you not go know where you dey talk and go where you dey talk and come from. So topic whether the get head get it. Oh my goodness. That is called topic of beating around the bush. Yeah, my goodness. I too laugh. Oh, I too laugh. My God. I too laugh. Go there. Oh God. Go there give examples. Look at this one. It go still fade away. For where? Now that can't they fade away. Be when I be woman, that thing there my phone bang. Yeah? Where you can't give your body free of charge. Ojo free for people. May they take they shake their penis. They shake their agbola. You not thinking whether it go fade that time where you go come dey compare with other people. I don't understand. Relax your mind. Carry this your marriage enter house. Eh? Ah, my goodness. My God. Oh God. My people, it don't do like this. This congratulation don't do like this. All right? May we relax. May we relax. Because if we can't talk this congrats come pass like this now, it go can't get us a be. This congrats, it good like this, it don't reach. Till another day. Una here? All right now, my people, thank you all so much. Thank you. So, congrats, Ekia. Ashawo with the read book. We wish you congrats. Bye yo. That your English not come speaking for my ear again, eh? All those your young, yeah, nonsense. It's against the right matter. I, yeah, you know, yo, yeah. I thank God for this, my brother. I beg carry on, enter house, eh? Una do well. Ciao. Love you all. Bye.